Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama. Today is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. And I saw something on YouTube and I saw them on Pinterest and things of making certain items out of vintage jewelry or jewelry that you have on hand, whatever the case may be. Mine's a little bit of both, but I thought I would go ahead and try to do it. Now, what I'm going to try to do is make a Christmas tree out of brooches and jewelry embellishments and some lace and this canvas. So I have some beautiful lace here that I've had on stash for a while, not sure what to do with it yet. This one I've used several times. And I think my light may be too bright there, so we're going to go down. Okay. This is some beautiful lace, and I have used that several times, so I thought I'd lay it here. And then I have this lace that I got from Renee Bouquets a while back. It was a gift, from a win that I had. And I thought I'd lay it on top there. These are all going to be layered. It's not, make sure I get that on the right direction. So anyway, that's going to be layered on top of there. And then I've got this gorgeous lace I've had for so long. I didn't read the instructions or not the instructions, the description on how big this lace was, but it is simply stunning lace, and I really don't know if you can get that really a good view there. I hate the fact that when we have bad weather, I can't get good lighting. And with all the Windows updates, that did not help me at all with my camera. So anyway, I am going to attempt to do a Christmas tree with some brooches and embellishments, jewelry embellishments. So the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, and this is just something from watching other videos that I'm going to try. I'm going to kind of wrap it around a little bit just to get it to look, nice. And I can always cover that with some other lace if I want to. So it doesn't have to be perfect because most of it's going to be covered, but these are acting as fillers for me. So I'm going to first glue down this piece. I guess I better get some more glue first in there. Okay, I've got some glue. I got some glue. I've got some glue down there. I will learn how to speak, I promise. And I'm loosely laying it on here. I don't want to pull it too tight because I really want it to look as even as possible in that area here. And I keep checking because the last time I did my video, I kept getting out of the shot there, and I do apologize for that. Sometimes I get so much into what I'm doing, I don't think about looking. Like I said, this is just on there loosely. And I could cut that off if I want to, and I may yet do that, so I'm just going to leave that for now. But I will cut off the very excess off. I have been so anxious to use some of this lace because I just love it. Okay, now the same thing with this one. I'm going to let it go over the edge a little bit. And like I said, these are filler pieces for me. They're all going to fill spots that one lace won't get, but the other will. So, okay, it's looking good. As far as the lace goes, it's looking good. So I'm excited about it, and I don't think that yeah, this is the front side. So I do want to make sure of that. Now this is going to have excess over here for sure, because I want to make sure that I put these on as evenly as possible. And what I am going to do is I'm going to start gluing down at the top. Okay, so I'm not messing with this part of it for now. Now I'm going to add some dots of glue here and there because it needs more stability. So I am going to actually do it this way on here first. Now I know you can't see full layers of the other two pieces, but like I said, they're my filler layers, and I may do something on top of that even. So, but anyway, there we go. I'm going to leave this part of it for now, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Now, I did a trial of where to put this. This is my Christmas tree made out of brooches and stuff. I've got a picture of it in case I forget where this is, and the picture will help me to remember the layout. So, my first step is going to be, you know what, I may need to glue this down. I think I'll glue this down in case it catches. Okay, we're going to try that. So, from what I can gather, I can start with my big piece here, and I am going to cut this off. Okay, so I cut off that brooch piece, and my cat was like, "Woo, what did you do?" So, it looks like this is going to be the center here, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that down because even if I have quite a bit of space here, I can still do something with that. So, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, there's my tree topper. I'm going to get my picture out. There is no rhyme or reason to what I do on this. I'm just placing pieces that I think would look good. And I need to pull this ring off. Okay, so, and I'm going to kind of put it under here, and I'm not going to do any more gluing yet. This here helps me to anchor it down for me. That's what I'm doing. And we want to pull it down just a little more because I want it to go downward. And it doesn't have to be straight because doing it straight would mean that I'm making it more of a triangle, and I really don't want to do that. So my next piece, according to my picture, is right here. And it can go over it a little bit. Now, if I have any spaces open that I don't want to show, all I have to do is just add some pearls or beads or something in it, you know, just to make it look nicer. It's not absolutely necessary. I'm going to add this on. And I can organize or fix it, rearrange it, whatever I need to do can be done because I am not gluing it down yet. I'm kind of trying to hide that blue color a little bit. Now this is going to take a while to do, so I am just going to fast forward it. Okay, as I am looking at this, what I'm noticing is that I may have it off-centered here on the edges a little bit, but since I didn't glue them down, it will be easy enough to fix it up, and then I can add whatever I need to add. I'm going to put this guy right in the center. So what I've got right now is what I think I'm going to go with. I could change it up, you never know. So I'll be back and share with you the glue after I've glued it down. Okay, so I finished putting all the pieces together, and in some places I want to let you know, and I fast forward all that, so you might not be able to tell. But in some of the little pieces and a few, maybe a few others I can't remember, I put in the 3-in-1 beacon glue just so I could get better grasp and control of where those would go. So like these little ornaments here. So, and I just finished it up. And all I did after got done with the video was that I added this piece here to the bottom just to give it a little flare there. And then I added a bow at the top. So it came out so much better than I thought. And I may put something around the edges, around here. Now I did put lace around the top and the bottom, and I just glued the lace, which I forgot to trim this piece off, which I will trim that. But you just glue these pieces down that overlapped, and I got that one cut. But you just overlap it, and it gives you a nice little edge to it. And put lace on the bottom and the top, and you're good to go. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it inspires you. It's not hard, really. It may look hard, but it is not hard. I may attempt to do another one, but not of a tree, but we'll see. I won't tell you yet what I think I'm going to do because I don't want to give away the surprise. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll post pictures at the end, and please like and subscribe, and have many blessings. Bye for now.